Hello! We got Mike here. Today... Wow, that's not focusing. Let's see if we can fix that. Focus, there we go. We got Mike here. Mike! And because we woke up late because we couldn't sleep last night, not gonna get a lot done today. So we are going to try and clean some of this mess up and move that, what is that back there? That shelving unit, and clean up the plants that are out there. Yeah, so let's get to it. Chop, 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 chop. Oh boy, so we went to get gas, then decided I haven't been up here in a while. Let's go off-roading. Whew, I broke some of the ice. That's what I was trying to do, because I've never been out here and it's been this frozen solid. But holy shit balls, this is some slick fucking ice, man. Holy cow, I can't even walk. How is my truck driving on this crap? Aw, dude, I made some tire marks. Oh, you can see them. I feel cool now. Definitely can't wait to have my new tires, though. That's gonna make this so much more fun and enjoyable. And, let's turn this around. Got my Mighty Ducks starter jacket. My starter jacket's cooler than yours! Yeah, boy! Anyways, gonna turn this back off, do some more rounds, go back home. Well, look at that. We got all this stuff out of the corner there. This, everything from there down was all mold. So we cut it out, but I'm gonna have to replace the whole wall because these are moldy and I need to waterproof paint all those blocks. And you can see here, water was leaking in. So, I gotta deal with that. I'm gonna sweep all this crap. Oh, somebody opened up some Arby's sauce. You can't even see because I don't know how to point the camera. Yeah, somebody opened up the barbecue sauce and was And yeah, cool. And look at that. It's a perfect fit. Obviously got more crap to deal with. And I really want to resurface this. Sand it down, put on new stain. I think this top is real wood, not a laminate. If it's laminated, I will just sand everything down and paint it all black. Because, screw it. Got this from work. They were going to throw it away. And I put it on the top of my old car and brought it home. I also need to move this somewhere else to a better location. Because I want this wall and this wall to be art and stuff that I want to display. Like my Red Bulls, I want to drill holes in the bottom and put LED lights so they light up and look really cool. I've got this thing, Louis 10, 11, 13, Remy Martin Grand Champagne Cognac. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I've got these things, which I believe 1971. I've got some of my card games up there. A random video card, which will go somewhere else. Some, whatever this crap is, I forget what it's called. obviously R2-D2. Daft Punk. I've got this thing which I need to repair. Let's see. None of that crap. But we come over here, I have all these books. And there's even more cookbooks in the hallway that I want to have on display sometime. Oh, and I got these. And this is a cool clipboard my dad made when he was in school. I like how wide it is. Yeah, just freaking cool, man. Anyways, that's it for today. Got a lot done. Feel pretty good. Oh, before I go, there's all the shelving. It's going to be for plants, because I got lots of plants and I want more plants. Yeah. So, that'll be tomorrow after I do some floor stuff, because hopefully tonight, well, maybe not, because I gotta do plasma, and I'm supposed to bring my friend to Muskegon. Oh, we'll see. Tomorrow might be a busy day. Anyways, peace out. Keep trying new things.